Everybody, welcome to this month's 2-minute vlog for March 2026. We just wanted to reach out to everyone this month and give a ever-present reminder of the cybersecurity threats that your organization is up against and the ever-evolving attacks that are now getting more and more sophisticated thanks to AI. It's not just a tool for us, it's also a tool for the cyber criminals to be able to easily hone in, and they're able to really take away some of those red flags that we had been training to look for and your staff had been training to look for all these years. They are much, much harder to spot nowadays. So we do still recommend that you're training your staff annually, as well as onboarding new staff. Make sure they're trained when they come on board, so you know that they're starting at least a baseline level of some knowledge. We also offer some phishing training, phishing awareness training, and can run that program for your company. If you're not aware of that, it's something we do. We'd be happy to talk to you about that. Some of you are running through it now. And every little bit of training plays its part. We do have some on-demand trainings on our website that you are welcome to use for your staff for your annual trainings or onboarding. And we also offer to come out and run a training for your whole staff. We have subject matter experts on staff that are willing to run a training for just your crew if you wanted to put together a lunch and learn or something like that and run it annually. A lot of cybersecurity insurance requires it now, so you really can't check that box unless you are 100% sure your staff are being trained and provided with training. So if it's something you're not doing or you'd like to learn more about it, please reach out. If you are up and ongoing, stay with it, stick with it. It's never going to go away. They're going to keep finding ways to break through, and we're going to have to keep finding ways to spot that and keep ourselves safe. And that's all I have for this month. So happy spring.